Hello everyone, first we're gonna section our hair into two, then taking two braids, after that making a ponytail, then joining them all together into one braid for the folding the braid into half, and you can see it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken 3 braids at one side and one braid made of colorful rubber bands at one. Then we're gonna join them together at the back and making two viral ponytails. Next, we're going to take two braids each at one side made of colorful rubber bands and making a pony. Further folding it once and then dividing it into two braids made of these beautiful and colorful threads and then joining it to our two ponytails. Next, we're going to start by sectioning our hair into two, taking 3 to 4 braids at each side, and then we're going to start joining them with the colorful rubber bands and keeping them as it is. Next, we're gonna take a ponytail at one side and taking 5 braids at the other, joining the braids with the other side, and then further converting the pony into round bun. Next, we're gonna take some braids at the bottom, joining them with our ponytail at two sides, further folding the ponies into buns. Next, we are going to section our hair into two, then taking hair from one side, and then eventually we're going to start adding some rubber bands by taking some hair along. Then we're going to take the remaining hair from that one side, then making a braid and folding it into half, and it's ready. Next, we are going to divide our hair into 5 ponies, 2 at the sides, 1 at the back and 2 at the bottom. Then taking the back one and then we're going to divide it in some hair strands and then joining it with the ponies and using some red rubber bands. Next, we are going to take some hair from the top, making 2 braids out of it and then joining them to the one side hair. Then further joining it to our braid and folding it into half. Next, we're going to take a braid at the top, then folding it out into a bun. Taking the remaining hair and making 2 small braids out of it, then wrapping this beautiful ribbon over our bun. Next, we are going to start by dividing our hair into one pony and then we are going to make a braid out of it. Then further, we're going to fold it out into a bun, taking the remaining hair and dividing it into 2 braids and twisting it out like this. After it's ready, we are going to join the braids to our bun and now you are done with your hairstyle. Here we have taken the hair and then making a high ponytail, then adding this bow ribbon into our hair. Then we're gonna make this braid by using the ribbon. When your braid is ready, we are going to secure it by using a rubber band. And now you can add any more accessories as per your choice, or you can leave this as it is. It is looking so good and beautiful.